In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to create a lip-synced video in Higgsfield's Lip Sync Studio. We'll start by heading to the Higgsfield website in your browser. Once the page loads, move your cursor to the top navigation and hover over the video section. A menu will appear. From there, click on Lip Sync Studio to open the workspace where we'll put everything together. Next, upload the photo of your model. For the best results, choose a clear, high-resolution image with the face centered, good lighting, and minimal obstructions like heavy shadows or large accessories. A neutral background can help the system focus on facial features and make sure you have the right to use the image you're uploading. Now let's set up the audio. You have a few options. You can use audio text, generate your own audio, or upload an existing audio file. In this walkthrough, we'll use audio text, which means the tool will create the voice from the text you provide. In the text box, input a prompt that suits your model. Think of this as the script you want the character to say. Keep the wording natural and tailor the tone to match the personality or style of your model. Short, clear sentences tend to sync best, and you can include brief notes about mood or pacing to guide the delivery. Before generating, take a moment to choose from the available models. Higgsfield offers various model presets that influence the lip sync quality, expression handling, and overall style. Pick the one that best fits your project's look and the kind of performance you want. If you're unsure, start with a balanced option and adjust later based on the result. You can also select the duration and the resolution. Set the duration to match your script length so the video doesn't cut off or leave extra silence at the end. For resolution, higher settings like 1080p provide crisper detail, while lower resolutions can render faster and are lighter to share. Choose what makes sense for your needs and your device. When everything looks good, your photo is in place, your audio text is ready, your model preset is selected, and your duration and resolution are set, click Generate. The system will process your request and bring your character to life with synchronized speech. Processing time can vary depending on the settings you chose, so give it a moment. That's it. With just these steps, you've created a polished, lip-synced video in Higgsfield's Lip Sync Studio ready to showcase your message in a dynamic